You want to start an e-commerce store, but you don't want to spend weeks figuring out product research, web design, pricing strategies, or ad campaigns. Totally fair. Building an online business used to take forever, but now tools like Storebuild.ai and Atlas AI promise to do it all for you using AI. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we break down the best tools and systems to help you build smarter e-commerce businesses without getting buried in tech or stuck doing everything yourself. In this video, we're comparing Storebuild.ai and Atlas AI, two of the most talked about AI store builders out there right now. So, which one actually builds faster? Which one's smarter? And which one should you use? Let's break it all down. What is Storebuild.ai? So let's start with Storebuild. This tool is all about full automation. If you've ever wished you could just click a button and have your e-commerce store built with products, pricing, marketing, and fulfillment already handled, well, that's exactly what Storebuild is designed to do. Storebuild basically says, hey, let us handle everything. When you sign up, you answer just a few questions about your goals, and within minutes, it generates a fully functional Shopify store. We're talking a pre-built theme that looks polished and professional, product pages that are already written and optimized, products that are actually trending and ready to sell, pricing that's adjusted to maximize profit, and even marketing campaigns that are ready to go. Now, it doesn't stop there. Fulfillment and order processing, handled when you sign up with Zendrop. Pricing updates, automated. Facebook and Google ads. So if that sounds like the dream setup for someone who wants to make passive income while doing the least amount of work possible, it's because that's exactly what Storebuild is for. You don't need to worry about choosing suppliers, tweaking your store design unless you want to, or writing product descriptions. You let the AI handle it and it runs in the background. But there is a trade-off, and we'll get into that. Now, what is Atlas AI? So Atlas AI takes a little different approach. Instead of being fully hands-off, it gives you more control while still using AI to save time. Think of Atlas as your AI-powered co-pilot. It helps you get the heavy lifting done fast, but it leaves the final decisions up to you. So when you use Atlas, the platform can set up a store for you, but you can customize the branding, colors, and layout. It'll recommend products using AI, but you can manually approve or reject each one. It'll suggest prices to maximize profit, but you can adjust them however you want. So yeah, there's automation, but it's not set it and forget it. You're still involved in building and running the store. So that makes Atlas a better fit for people who want to create a brand instead of just launching a generic store. You can customize the store to match your vibe as well. You can handpick your products based on your niche. You can write your own copy if you want to, or tweak the AI generated stuff. Bottom line, Atlas is for builders who want speed and strategy. Storebuild is for builders who mainly just want speed. Now, which one builds faster? So let's talk speed. If you're in a rush to get your store online and selling products ASAP, then Storebuild is the clear winner here. You can literally have a functioning store within just a few minutes. Products, pricing, everything is generated and launched for you. That's a huge deal for people who want to skip the learning curve or who just want to get started without overthinking. Now, Atlas is super fast too, don't get me wrong. The AI does a lot of the setup for you, but it slows down slightly because you're expected to review and customize things. Now, that review process can take a few hours to a few days depending on how involved you want it to be. So if we're judging on pure speed, Storebuild.ai wins. It's like hitting the instant noodles button versus making a home-cooked meal with a recipe assistant. Atlas gives you more control, but Storebuild is lightning fast. Now, which one's smarter? All right, now let's talk brains. Storebuild is smart in that it knows how to build a store that works, pulls from trending niches, sets up product pages, and gives you the proven frameworks. For a beginner who doesn't know what they're doing, that's a huge advantage. But Storebuild kind of makes all the decisions. You know, you select your niche and then it makes your page. It's going to select products for you and sets the prices. Now, obviously you can go in and change those products and prices, but right out the gate, it does it for you. So you're essentially trusting the AI to get it right. Now, Atlas, on the other hand, makes you smarter. It helps you research products, compare trends, and analyze what's working. It lets you decide what goes into your store. For example, you might want to sell eco-friendly pet products. With Atlas, you can guide the AI to that niche, see what's trending, and then pick products that align with your values. You can write your own brand story. You can adjust pricing if you have a different margin target. So if you want to make fast, automated decisions, Storebuild is quicker. But if you want tools that help you make strategic strategic decisions and build a brand with intention, I'd say Atlas wins. Branding, design, and customization. So this is where the gap between these two really shows. So StoreBuild gives you a good looking site, no doubt, but you don't really get to choose the colors, the layout, the fonts, or the style. Your branding options are a bit more limited. Atlas gives you some more flexibility. You can choose themes, adjust layouts, update the logo, and customize your site to match your audience. If you care about having a unique brand or plan to do influencer marketing or content creation around your store, Atlas gives you the tools to make it stand out. If you're running ads to a generic store and you just want fast conversions, StoreBuild will work. But if you want a store that feels like you, Atlas is a little better. Pricing and value. So this is where things get interesting. So StoreBuild is actually free to build your store. You just need an active Shopify account. Now, Atlas, on the other hand, has a few different plans. Their plans start at $29 per month, which is super affordable, especially for what it offers. And because it's semi-automated, you're not paying for the fully managed experience. So taking a look at the different plans here on Atlas, they've got 3 different plans to choose from. They have the basic plan, which is $29 per month or $204 per year, where you can save 41%. You get 50 credits per month. A store generation is 10 credits. A product page is 2 credits. You get premium Atlas theme license, 30 plus customizable theme scenarios, and priority support. Now, if you go up to the Pro plan, which is $49 per month or $348 per year, you get 150 credits per month. And again, a store generation is 10 credits. A product page is 2 credits. You get the premium Atlas theme license. You get bundler discounts and upsells, which is huge. So you can actually create bundles and upsells inside your Shopify store. That's a huge benefit here for Atlas. But again, you have to be on the Pro plan at that $49 per month. There's cart drawer and upsells, as well as AI generated product photos and 30 plus customizable theme sections. And then there's the Expert plan at $99 per month or $708 per year. And this gives you 450 credits per month. Store generation, again, 10 credits. Product pages, 2 credits. Essentially, you're just getting more credits on this plan. Now, with all these, you can buy additional credits without having to go up to the next plan. So for example, on the basic plan, additional credits are $1. They're 49 cents on the Pro plan and 40 cents on the Expert plan. So who should use StoreBuild.ai? You should use StoreBuild if you don't want to make a bunch of decisions. If you prefer automation over more customization. If you want a hands-off dropshipping setup. If you need something up and running fast. So it's best for beginners, passive income seekers, or people testing the e-commerce waters before going deeper. Now, who should use Atlas AI? You should use Atlas if you want to build a brand, not just a store. If you care about customization and storytelling. If you have a niche product idea already and you enjoy being involved in the creative side of e-commerce. Or if you're looking for a bundler and upselling option. So Atlas is best for solopreneurs, creators, or marketers who want to grow something meaningful without getting overwhelmed. So at the end of the day, StoreBuild.ai and Atlas AI are built for 2 different types of sellers. If you want the fastest launch and least effort, go with StoreBuild. If you want more strategy, branding, and control, then go with Atlas. Both are super powerful, both save you time. The right choice just depends on how hands-on you want to be and what your long-term vision is. So if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.